yeah, it's up on this mountain that we're gonna go. Currently engulfed a little bit on the top in fog, but it's hopefully gonna be more sunny. It's feeling kind of cold. I hope I'm not getting second thoughts about this great idea. No, but let's get going. Determination, motivation. It looks like the other expeditioner has decided to join on this long expedition. Now of the Lille Malene. Took us roughly a little hour to get up here. The wind is picking up a little bit now up here by the orange container. Oh, it's red. It's very foggy now, so not the best view, not what we had been hoping for. You can hear the airport construction going on in the background as well. We're gonna head in, get some dinner, get some soda pop to replenish the glycogen stores in the muscles. So we will be fresh and ready to go again tomorrow, hopefully when the sun clears out all this good foggy fog stuff. Let's get back to base camp and get some food. This is what we're working with. Base camp. 2 MSR tents. Not sponsored by a helipad. Så er der åbent i loungen. The lounge.
Yes, son.
Wow! It's bedtime now. About to head to sleep, hit the sack, as the cool kids usually say, out here in the wild, trying not to freeze to death. It's getting pretty cold out here. Camera's still working, so that's a great thing. Hopefully we'll wake up to clear and blue skies, so I can have some morning coffee and enjoy it.
And now I'm alone on the top. 7 o'clock in the morning. Haven't slept. Maybe 2 hours combined sleep. Pretty cold. 28th of May, everybody. Lovely, lovely. But I'm gonna take a couple more hours of sleep. Hopefully I can with my earplugs and my night mask. And see you a little later for when it's hopefully sunshine. And I'm gonna get some coffee outside and just enjoy life on a very nice Saturday morning. Yeah, let's do that. Good morning again for real. It's now 10:30. I slept a little bit more, which was pretty nice. But the weather is still terrible. I mean, it's just been like this. I mean, it's calmed down a little bit, but now it's... yeah. This was definitely not the scenario I was been hoping for with this night, staying out here on the mountain. I've been hoping for blue skies and no wind, sunshine from the morning, so that now I could just be sitting and sipping my coffee and enjoying the view over Nuuk. But no, it's the Greenlandic nature you're fighting against, and usually you don't win. So I just have to say thank you for letting me see another day, and that I didn't freeze completely to death last night. But let's make some food. Oatmeal with some raisins. It's the breakfast of champions today. On this godforsaken, ice cold, foggy and windy Saturday morning. Yum yummy. Think wild, eat civilized. Sleeping in on top of the mountaintop, and yeah, visibility wise, I don't really think I have to tell you that. Shut up! Can't really see anything. I'm gonna pack up, get ready to head down, get a bus, and go home and take another nap. It's been a good expedition, even though I haven't slept that much. But it was nice to come up here, get a breath of fresh air for once, do something a little bit out of my comfort zone, and as they say, you usually start to appreciate the nicer, maybe things that you take for given during the day better when you experience hell-like conditions like these. No, it hasn't been that bad, but just a little cold on my feet. But I've also been completely packed up. Okay. Before the tent flies away, I'm gonna start the descent towards Nuuk, which we can actually see now. The visibility is getting a little better. Yeah, let's check it out. There we have it. Nuuk. Let's head down again. It's now 11:20. We're gonna head down again. The wind has taken off a little bit, so that's quite nice. Hopefully the hike down is gonna be good. I'm not too sore. All in all, like, it was good. Not as comfortable as my own bed, but I guess that's the essence of camping, getting out of your comfort zone and starting to appreciate the modern amenities that you have at home. I'm gonna head down. Alright. Made it down to the bottom now. This marks the end of my journey towards the top of Lille Malene, where we did have a rather cold night in the tent, but nonetheless it was worth it, I would say. Getting some discomfort out of my otherwise rather comfortable life. I could have chosen to stay home in my warm bed, woken up to freshly brewed coffee, but no, I chose extreme cold, not being able to feel my feet for the whole night, hearing a tent saying weird noises all night, not being able to sleep for more than 2 to 3 hours in a row, and had some pretty crappy coffee this morning, so I'm gonna make up for that, that's for sure. But if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next one. Bye.